Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Telegram account on your phone, Android and iOS as well. So for this, you don't even need the app. You want to go into your browser and then search for my.telegram.org/off. Okay, so make sure you type that into the search bar and into your URL bar. And then you'll end up on this landing page where you need to enter your phone number. So right there, enter your phone number, and that's step number 1. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll end up on this page where all you need to do is basically click right there on delete my account, and that's how you can permanently delete your Telegram account on your phone. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works. If not, I'll try and help you out. Subscribe for more, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.